Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with Bluetooth Multipoint. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with Bluetooth Multipoint, begin by ensuring your earbuds are charged. Remove the earbuds from their charging case. Make sure the Bluetooth feature is enabled on both devices you wish to connect. Press and hold the touch sensor on both earbuds for about 7 seconds until you see a flashing blue light. This indicates the earbuds are in pairing mode. On the first device, open the Bluetooth settings. Look for WF-1000XM5 in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate pairing. Wait for the confirmation that the connection is successful. Next, move to the second device and open its Bluetooth settings as well. Again, look for WF-1000XM5 in the list and select it. You should receive a notification indicating a successful connection. Your earbuds should now be connected to both devices simultaneously. Try playing audio from each device to confirm they are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, make sure both devices are updated with the latest Bluetooth software. For advanced features, consider downloading the Sony Headphones Connect app. This app can help customize settings and manage connected devices easily. You can switch between devices by simply playing audio from the device you want to use. Enjoy the seamless listening experience that Bluetooth Multipoint provides. Make sure the earbuds are kept within the specified range of both devices for optimal performance. You are now ready to use your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with Bluetooth Multipoint functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.